This is Leonardo version 10.0.13, hot off the grill. Install with the included install.sh, no wizardry, no ritual chanting. Just double-click and we're cooking. Let's pop open the About box. Version info, credits, the good stuff. No mystery meat sauce here. Built-in help? Oh yeah! Nested built-in HTML documentation. Organized, readable, and not a 4,000-page PDF you'll never open again. Dark theme, light theme, system theme. Because whether you code at sunrise or 2 a.m., fueled by brisket and caffeine, Leonardo adjusts. 4 conversion presets, DaVinci Resolve compatible, OBS Remux, YouTube H.264, and TikTok vertical 9:16 auto crop. The TikTok option has been fixed in version 10.0.13. Today we are selecting DaVinci because we are feeling cinematic. Browse to the file and notice there is only one MKV in the folder. No smoke and mirrors. Select it, and Leonardo immediately lines up the output. A clean MOV file ready for editing in DaVinci Resolve. Hit Convert. Status bar confirms it. Message box confirms it. Boom, done. Faster than you can flip a burger. Back in Dolphin, we have 2 files. Original MKV and fresh MOV. Play them both. Identical results, no quality lost, no funny business. Just solid conversion powered by FFmpeg under the hood. Download Leonardo 10.0.13 today for free. And remember, at Bites, Bread, and Barbecue, we keep your code crispy and your files smoking hot.